Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Patyal Tech. Hope you guys are doing fine in your life and other things. Today we are going to talk about like if you're facing any lag in your gaming performance in your PC, or there's a sudden decrease in your like refreshes and all. If your PC is overheating, and your game is frequently crashing without any reason, or the screen is freezing. So there are some basic steps followed to be in Windows 11 to optimize this gaming lag features and all. Okay, so I will going to show you some steps to you. So how can you optimize your Windows 11 for the gaming purpose, for fast gaming and lag-free gamings. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so click on search. Search for the settings for your PC. Okay, and after that, click on gaming. After that, click on gaming mode. Okay, make sure you on this optimize your gaming PC for tuning the things off in the background. So make sure you turn it on. And after that, click on graphics if you're having a dedicated GPU like RTX 3050 NVIDIA. So click on that, another graphic card also, and select the game which you are playing frequently. Okay, in my case, I'm playing GTA 5 and Need for Speed. So select this and always select this in to the high performance. Like you can see this high performance NVIDIA 30 RTX 3050 GPU. So select on that. I can show you for this also. Select same thing for this. Okay. And what you can do for the mouse accessibility and the pointer enhancement. So click on accessibility. Okay, search for the mouse, click on mouse. Okay, then again click on mouse. So here is the option like enhance pointer perception. So in your case it will be off, on it. Okay, like this. So what it will do, it will basically enhance your perception for the mouse, and it will help you for like FPS gaming, like in Valorant and all, for accurate shootings and all. So it will help you in that case. And after that, you have to search for your power plan. Okay, so click on that. So as you can see, in my case, I'm having best performance when I plugged into a charger. Okay, so you have to do the same things for around. So in your case, the Windows 11 focuses on the best power efficiency. So by default, it will be set to best power efficiency. So you have to change this to best performance when your PC is plugged in. And the same thing you can do this on the battery also if you don't want the high battery backup from your PC and all. So in my case, I'm selecting the best power efficiency when it's on a battery mode. So you can select on your like usage. It's up to you. And after that, you have to check the whether your PC is running on full potential cores and all. So click on start, search for like click on Windows button and R to open the run manager. Enter msconfig. Okay, press enter. So it will show the system configuration. Click on boot and click on advanced options. And in your case, it will be unchecked. Check it and uh, check it and select the maximum cores in your PC. In my case, I'm having 12. In your case, you can have more or less than that. So it should be in the maximum and full potential. So select it, click on OK and apply it. And other thing I want to tell you about, if your RAM is utilization is higher side, or your RAM is at the lower side, so what you can do, you can create a virtual RAM. Okay, and that things are already explained in my previous video. You can also watch from that. It's showing an I button, so you have to if you want you can see that. Okay, now what we will do, the thing is that if your Windows 11 is having unnecessary animations, so it sometimes results on a crashing your FPS and all. So what you will do, you can search here. So you have to search for the adjust the appearance and performance. Click on that. Okay. Click on custom if you want if you want minimum to minimum animations in your Windows 11. Or the best thing you can do, you can click on adjust for the best performance and click on apply like this. Okay. And if you're using NVIDIA graphic cards, it will having a NVIDIA control panel. So search for that. Okay, click NVIDIA. So here it is, NVIDIA control panel. So there it is. So here you have to select if you want to play games regularly. So you have to select high performance NVIDIA processor. So what it will do, it will directly shift to your GPU, not it will not use a iGPU. So and if you want both the GPUs work accordingly, if you're not playing any games and all, so it can automatically shift to your integrated graphic card. So you can select an auto select. So better if you're playing a game, you should like click on this and click on apply button. That's it. After that, you have to click on update buttons. Like you have to click on apps. Okay. And after that, you have to click on startup. Okay. So it will show you the list, which apps are starting when you're booting your PC and which apps are running in your background automatically if you're not even opening that. So make sure you uncheck this all. Click on off and click on the mandatory. Like in my case, I'm having only mandatory things to be on. So also check this all. And after that, always check if your Windows 11 is up to date or not. Uh, okay, in my case, it's already updated. It's up to date. It is showing me. So you have to update your PCs as well. And you have to also update your drivers of your NVIDIA graphic card also. Any other graphic card you're using. So you have to update that also. Okay. And at the last but not the least, it's a very basic thing which many guys are neglecting it. You have to check your refresh rate. If your refresh rate is like configured in the maximum refresh rate or it is in a below refresh rate. So how you can check it? Just click on right click on that and open the display settings. Okay. And after that you have to click on advanced display. After that, here's this thing. Choose a refresh rate. In my case, my screen supports 120 Hz refresh rate. In your case, it will be like 144 also and more than that also. So make sure you select on that. Okay. So I recommend don't use dynamic refresh rate to help the save powers and all. So I don't recommend you. So click on 120 Hz in my case and click on apply and close it. By doing these simple things, your PC is ready to push you the refresh rates and all and enhance your gaming experience by doing these simple things. If you want any other things or if I'm missing any other thing, you can comment on this video and tell me uh, to optimize my things and all. And apart from that, it's my suggestion in the last to you like always download your games from authentic sources, not use like corrupted files and any other malicious files. So it can cause you a virus and all. Okay, so always download like there is a platform like Xbox is there, Steam is there, Epic Games are there. Always download the games from the authentic source. So that is for the today for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe this video and subscribe my channel to help to grow this channel and help me to create more videos like this, informative videos. So I need your help to grow my channel. Thanks.